If you use Windhawk to customize your Windows, then you already know the worst part. There is no native backup and restore built into it. And with that, one Windows update or a fresh install of a new Windows and an hour of tweaking all the components of your Windows are all gone and you have to start afresh. But there's this single open source tool that actually fixes this issue in a single click. So today we are setting up a one-click backup and restore all our Windhawk mods and config, and with that you can do whatever you like with it by sharing it to a friend or actually saving it somewhere, so that anytime you reinstall a new Windows or just an update crashes something, you can just restore it back and everything will be working fine. And also I'll be sharing my personal Windhawk backup so that you can duplicate my entire setup instantly. So let's dive in. Alright, this is the official repo of the Windhawk Backup Manager, and with this tool it can actually help us to backup and restore our Windhawk configurations and mods easily, and it's pretty cool. It's a brand new thing and they only have their first release now, which is the version 1, and since it's an early application, it's going to have some few bugs, but it gets the job done from what I've tested. And yeah, to get it you just have to head to the official release section over here and just click on the Windhawk Backup Manager.exe to download. Once downloaded, you just have to open it up, and with this you can even close your browser. And since it's a new application, you're gonna see this, just click on run anyway to run it on your computer. Alright, so this is the application, and you can see it has automatically showed all the mods that I've already installed. So I'm just going to open my Windhawk real quick and we're going to see all the mods that I've installed over here. So with that, you are going to see it has already selected all of them here, and what we can do is to unselect some of them if we don't want to add it to our backup, or we can just select all over here to actually select it. Once you have it, the next thing is to just back it up to anywhere you want. So if you want to back it up, you can just click on export selected, and with this you just have to select a location where you want to save the file. So I'll just save it in my folder over here, which is Windhawk backup folder, and just click on save. And with this, I'm going to see it will automatically be backed up, and now they are saying 30 mods has been backed up. So with this, when I open the file location, you're gonna see this backup file, which is the backup file that we've created, and it has some few registry files and also engine folder inside, which contains all the mods that I was having. So with this, you can send this zip file to anyone to actually have the same backup as yours and have the same configuration and mod as yours. So this is the backup file, and we can save it anywhere to keep it safe, so that maybe if there's a new Windows update or when you reinstall a new window, you can just restore them easily. And to restore them, let me just open my Windhawk mode and just remove all of the mod that I have installed, so that everything becomes clean, and restore it again for you to see how it works. Alright, so now every mod that I installed is now uninstalled and everything is pretty clean now. So let me restore my backup file and see how it's gonna work. So to do that, I'll just open the Windhawk Backup Manager again, and with this you can see there's no mod. So what I have to do here is to click on import, and over here look for my backup file. So it's gonna be here, and I'll just click on it and click on open, and with that everything has been restored. You're gonna see this, and once you see this, what you have to do is to just click on confirm and install selected. If you want to unselect some of the things, you can also do it over here and just click on confirm to actually install them. So now you can see all the mods has been installed, and you're gonna see this pop up. Just click on okay and just click on it so it's done, and once it's done, you are good to go. So with it, when I open my Windhawk, you're gonna see that all those mods will be installed, but the only thing is that you are not going to see the descriptions again. It's like it has pulled it from locally, and now everything is installed, and it's pretty nice. So with this, you can see all the mods that I had installed is back, and if let's say I want to actually make it look good, I can just click on it and click on updates, and with this the description and everything will be back again to show really well like how it was. So this is pretty much it now. And also, once you get my backup file in the description below, you can just restore them and get the same settings that I have, and with that you can get a pretty cool nice start menu over here, which is more like liquid glass. I have this nice settings page which is also looking a more glassy vibe, and it's pretty, I like this one. And with my file explorer, you're going to see it's having this nice look with all the sessions at the top here. And this is pretty cool. So you can give my mod config a try and restore it on yourself and see how it works. So this is it for the video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out.